Well, today we are going to learn about order of operations. We can solve equations using the acronym BEDMAS, B-E-D-M-A-S. So, to begin, in BEDMAS we have a B, which stands for brackets. So we solve the stuff in the brackets first, which looks like the side of a happy face. So here we can see an example of us solving for the stuff in the brackets first. Next, we have E in BEDMAS, which stands for exponents. So we solve for the stuff in exponents second. So we can see an exponent is the number in the top right corner. So here we can see an example of us solving for the exponents. Next in BEDMAS we have D, which stands for division. So we solve for the parts with the division third, which it can look like a backslash or a line with two dots, one above and one below. So here we can see an example of us using division. Next in BEDMAS we have M, which stands for multiplication. So we solve the stuff with the multiplication fourth. And multiplication has many different forms for the sign. One will have an X in between two variables, or a dot in between two variables, or just two numbers beside each other in brackets. Here we can see an example of us using multiplication. Next in BEDMAS we have A, which stands for addition. So we solve for the parts with the addition fifth. So we can see addition sign looks like almost a cross. Here we can see an example of us using addition. Next in BEDMAS we have S, which stands for subtraction. So we solve for the parts with the subtraction 6, which subtraction just looks like a little dash in between two numbers. So here we can see an example of us using subtraction. So, what if there is multiple of the same type? Then we can solve left to right, just like reading a book. Here you can see an example of us solving the first two on the left and then moving to the right. Let's try some examples. Okay, so here's our first example. Let's think brackets first, because we're looking at BEDMAS. So here are our brackets. So what is next in line in BEDMAS? Division. So now we can solve the division and then finish off with the addition in the brackets. So what do we have here? We have an exponent or multiplication or subtraction. BEDMAS. That's E. So exponents is next. So we solve for the exponent. So now we have subtraction or multiplication. I think multiplication's next. So we solve for the multiplication, which gives us this 30, and then we're left with subtraction, and then we get our final answer here. So now we can look at this next equation. So think BEDMAS. Brackets, so we got some of those. So now we do the addition in the brackets. BEDMAS, B-E, exponents. So we can solve for the exponent next, which gives us this 25. So now we have an addition, a subtraction, a multiplication. That sounds like it's next. So we do that one. And then we've got subtraction and addition left. So we do left to right. So we solve for this one and then finish off with the addition, and then we're left with our answer here. Thank you guys for watching.